Welcome to the LG MCE 2014 booth. My name is Davide Caravatti. I'm Technical Manager of LG Electronics Italy, and I will explain to you all the new products and the new features that we will display in this exhibition. The main theme of the exhibition, Beyond Your Standard, explains all the efforts that our company is putting in order to create a new and innovative air conditioning and ventilation and heating solution. Now I'm introducing to you the Multi-V4, the fourth generation of our VRF system with its superior energy efficiency. Multi-V4 is equipped with 4 innovative technologies in its 4 key components: HYPER, active refrigerant control, variable heat exchanger, and smart oil return. Multi-V4 heat recovery, when combined to the hydro-kits unit, is the ideal solution for heating and sanitary hot water production. It is also at the same time a valid support for air conditioning and ventilation of the interior space of the building. Multi-V4 HR is the solution with high efficiency for the simultaneous cooling and heating operation. With the possibility of connection of the HR units in several modes, this solution is very flexible and able to cover all the installation needs. ThermaV is the new solution for the production of cooled and hot water for sanitary and thermal use. Available in the monoblock and in the split type with hot water that can be produced up to 80 degrees, ThermaV is the optimal solution for the new system. And now I'm proud to introduce you the MCE 2014 Star, our new model Air-Cool Stylist, a new concept that conjugates air conditioning with LED lighting. A new product equipped with a LED ring, the color of which can be changed and modified on the base of our needs. This new model is equipped with the new innovative Sphera remote controller that allows you to simply change or modify the management of the LED lights on the product.